Hola chicas malas, welcome to another try on haul. You guys seem to really like these videos. This one is going to be a Bikercore try on haul. So anything that looks like I would be a race car driver or riding in somebody's sports car or going biking or cycling myself, that is a part of my style. So these outfits are things I tend to wear to like bars, if I'm kind of doing something sporty. Some of these are actually fitness tops. This is more of a casual lookbook. So the first one is this red racer jacket. It looks like a varsity jacket. It's very thin, like the material is really thin. So it's more of a windbreaker and it's also cropped. I love a good cropped jacket. This is a very bright red color. Think of like a tomato or cherry red. This is not a dark red. It's not burgundy. It's literally like a bright, vibrant red. I actually have a couple of these because I just love that sporty aesthetic. And it has the little numbers on it and the little fake seals kind of mimicking some sort of race car driver. The next jacket is actually pretty similar. It's just a little bit more square. Like the cut of it is more square. It's also thin. It has little snap buttons going up and down it. It's red and black. So this one has a little bit more black on it. So if you don't want to be as bright, I think this is a good option. It says Sport Club on it. It has the cute little designs on it. Neither of these jackets have any structure, by the way. These are very loose and flimsy. I prefer kind of almost like this flimsy, thin clothing because it goes well with the weather here in Houston. So this one is just red and black. There are no yellow patches on it like the last jacket. The next one is this dark pink, kind of rosy color. It's got some gray in it. It has a little bit of gold in it as well. It's just a little sporty crop jacket. You guys might have seen this on my Instagram. I like this because it gives athleisure. It shows that like I'm athletic, but at the same time, I'm also like casual. So this is another crop jacket. It has a little star on it. It has a little green seal on it. And then in the back, it's just gray. So nobody's ever noticed any of the writing on these jackets, by the way. So if you're not a big fan of writing, you can just make sure you wear your hair down or make sure you wear your hair really long if you don't like showing the words on your jacket. But this one's really cute. The next one is one of my favorite fitness jackets. I wear this to spin class. So this is a pink little biker shirt. So it has a little zip up part. It kind of zips halfway through the shirt. It's short sleeved. It's form fitting. You can wear a sports bra under it if you want to. You can wear this as like a pullover if you want to. I've worn this to so many classes. I get so many compliments on this little crop jacket. So spin class is the perfect area to wear this. The material is more of that moisture wicking material, so it helps you to not sweat as much. It'll help keep you cool if you actually are going cycling. I have a bike, but my tire is flat right now, so once I get that fixed, I'm definitely going to be out wearing this. And the next one is one of my favorite Bikercore athleisure crop jackets. So this is a little zip up jacket. It's white, and then it has little black checkers next to the sleeve. So it almost looks like you're a race car driver. And then the sides of it are see-through. So you can wear a little crop top under here. Sometimes I'll wear a little sports bra underneath it. So this, I actually got this so I could go to the gym. So this is another one of my gym outfits. But I have also worn this like going out to the grocery store, just going shopping, and I get a lot of compliments on this little white jacket. It's also very easy to dress up or down. The next one is this green cropped biker jacket. It's got a zipper on it. It's mostly green and white. It has a little bit of yellow on it, kind of like some fake seals. And then it has like the white lining going down the sides. So that helps you to look more skinny and snatched. I usually wear this when I'm going running. Sometimes if it's cold outside or I'm just doing something casual, I will put this on over like a tube top. So in this video, you can see I'm wearing basically black tube tops and white tube tops just so I could show off the jacket. But this is very cute. I would say the green color, it's like the color of green leaves. So it's pretty neutral, and I would wear this when I am just doing something casual. This is more athleisure. I tend to not do hard workouts in zip-up clothing items because sometimes the zipper rubs against my skin and then it causes like chafing. So I would do this jacket if I was just doing a light workout like bike riding. The next one is another cycling shirt. This is the fitness material. It has a little zip up in the middle. It's kind of that moisture wicking material. It says sports on it. So this is red, black, and white mostly. And I love the little black and white checkered print. That is so cute. I like doing a good print every now and again. I am tall, so my body can handle like doing different types of prints. So this is really cute. I also get a lot of compliments on this top whenever I wear it to the gym. I bought most of this stuff because of spin class and also because I just needed casual jackets and stuff. So this can also be worn as an athleisure top. It's cute and cropped, and then on the back it's just like plain red and black. The next Bikercore item I have in my closet is this black leather jacket. So it's not real leather, this is pleather. Everything here is from Shein, but this is just your everyday basic run-of-the-mill leather jacket. This keeps you warm, so you can't really wear this in hot weather because you're going to be sweating like crazy. But I love all the little zippers on it. I like the little hardware. It's kind of like a rusted silver. That's kind of how it looks. Well, it doesn't look rusty. It just looks like a dull silver. So it's not the super bright, shiny silver that you would see around Christmas time. No, this is just a very dull colored silver, so it just blends in perfectly. I feel like you could wear this anywhere. I mean, you can wear this for social media. You can wear this on a date or something. If it's a little bit cold or you have a dress or a mini skirt on, you can wear this. I would wear this if I was going to play pool or if I was going to a bar. The next one is this blue and white biker fitness shirt. It's very similar to the other one. So this is kind of a blue version. This one has a picture of a soccer ball on it, so it says sport. So it's kind of reminiscent of a soccer jersey, but then they kind of fused it together with this Bikercore aesthetic. So this is another cycling shirt. This is actually a fitness shirt. I've worn this to spin classes before too. I also get a lot of compliments on this one. And it's like a baby blue color. The back of it is just plain white. So if you just like blue and white and you still want to look feminine and cute, I feel like this is the perfect color, especially if your hair is black. I love wearing my hair black with clothing that has black in it. But if you ladies would like to see more try-on hauls, please let me know. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.